How VRA, Veracity, is changing the future of commercials. With its patent proof-of-view method against bots, Veracity, VRA, hopes to address the issues of video marketing and NFT fraud. Veracity's product line covers a wide range of industries. However, they are all based on the proof-of-view platform. On its blockchain network, it provides a VeraWallet where the VRA token serves as the primary money for partaking in the online video and variety of gaming industry. I hear you asking, what is Veracity? Continue watching to know what this startup is all about and why they are important enough for us to make a video about them. But before you go on, are you subscribed to this channel? Subscribe now. You don't want to miss any of our high-value content. Back to the question, what is Veracity? Veracity is a policy and content layer platform for managing digital material as well as for esports and other video entertainment. The VRA Rewards program, which has been incorporated into SDKs for Twitch, Vimeo, YouTube, and all major video platforms, is one of its offerings. Relax, I know it's all still sounding like Greek to you if you are not into computers that much. In simpler terms, Veracity is simply providing software that acts as a layer or support service for users on social platforms. This support service would help you gain rewards from the use of these social platforms. Along with its unique proof-of-view technology, which combats online ad fraud via cryptocurrency AI, transparency, and immutability. In the end, proof-of-view gives stakeholders in the video ad space a reliable, single point of truth for gathering confirmed human views in real time, ensuring that every view recorded on the ledger is genuine. Veracity is able to achieve this through several products. One is the Vera Player. Veracity, VRA, provides a dependable database server, proof-of-view or POV security capabilities, and their Vera Player, a product layer framework for video entertainment, which together powers the rapidly expanding esports sector and gaming community. Another product is the Vera Esports. The company's revamped vision for its technology was revealed to be the new name for its esports fight club, EFC network, on November 8. This extended vision includes a brand new service called Watch and Earn that enables users to watch content, make money, and participate in competitions on the Vera Esports site while still allowing advertisers to take advantage of Veracity's proof-of-view technology. Veracity hopes that this solution will act as a gateway for esports fans to enter the crypto market and increase profits for esports fans and marketers. Vera Esports provides access to feeds from some of the largest names in gaming, including Riot Games, Valorant, and Axie Infinity, which sponsor competitions. It is hinted at a future NFT marketplace that will offer users access to both in-game and non-game material. Additionally, Veracity has added NFTs to the scope of its proof-of-view patent. With the help of the product, buyers and markets will be able to confirm the legitimacy and accuracy of NFTs, making sure the people who are minting or selling them are who they claim to be, and the NFT is what they say it is. Who are those behind this project? RJ Mark, a technologist and entrepreneur, developed Veracity, VRA. David Archer, director and attorney at Veracity, who has over 30 years of expertise in litigation, corporate law, not-for-profit corporations, conflict resolution, licensing, and governance, is another part of the core leadership. Robert Kyo is a financial director with a focus on SMEs in the blockchain, cryptocurrency, and digital media industries. With over 10 years of expertise in ad tech, Justin Wenksa, the CRO, focuses on the performance and security of advertising. With 17 years of marketing experience, veteran CMO Mayrin Majoub has served at Consensus, HL7, and the Cardano Foundation. The CTO, Sergey Malibog, has 15 years of increasing expertise in the development of technical solutions for the blockchain and video player industries. Olena Buyan is a Chief Product Officer, CPO, with a focus on results and a track record of developing solutions that are scalable, insight-driven, and user-centric. Veracity has created a roadmap that is exceptionally well-defined and focused on achieving their proof of concepts in each market. The platform's development team has already committed to a long list for the upcoming quarter after meeting every one of the quarterly planned objectives to date. The debut of the VeraWallet, affiliate integrations, listing on several exchanges, expansions of ad campaigns, operation of esport tournaments, and release of a redesigned tournament website are examples of recent accomplishments. Veracity introduced an NFT marketplace in Q4 2021 in addition to VeraViews, a comprehensive advertising platform, and several additional products. Verasity comes with some unique features. One of the most innovative is the Proof of View system. The Proof of View system acts as a defense against the fraud and manipulation that are rampant in the field of internet video advertising. Advertisers, publishers, and content producers all have an innate need to address the issue of fraud because approximately 65% of all digital ad views are fake. That is, they are manipulated by bots. The POV system cutting-edge techniques ensure that the video sessions are authenticated before being published to the publicly accessible blockchain database. VRA Esports. VRA Esports is a platform for community involvement that is designed to be the future generation. Users can access content from international artists and participate in, watch, and even organize tournaments to receive rewards. Through its Watch and Earn program, which allows viewers to acquire valid points by viewing their favorite tournament streams, the platform develops new social and business opportunities for tournament organizers, video gamers, teams, viewers, and sponsors in the global esports industry. Users can stake, store, and exchange VRA tokens using VeraWallet as a cryptocurrency deposit and payment channel. VeraWallet enables consumers to stake their cryptocurrency to gain rewards while utilizing cold storage concepts to maximize security. With more than 250,000 members so far, Verasity and the internet gaming industry as a whole continue to gain popularity. Verasity has planned buyback and burn occasions where VRA will be purchased with fiat from cryptocurrency exchanges and burned. As a result, the token's overall supply is decreased and its demand gradually rises. As part of Veracity's VRA staking program, VRA can be staked. The rewards received are proportionate to the amount of staked tokens. Until March 2023, the platform offers a 25.5% annual percentage yield APY on staked tokens, though this may be extended. Users can take part in the VRA's network activities to gain tokens. They can watch content on a publisher's website or VRA Esports, share their material with others, and engage in other activities that directly boost a domain's popularity to earn VRA tokens, for instance. On exchanges, users can exchange their VRA tokens for other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, they can purchase and sell VRA using the VeraWallet in exchange for fiat money. How valuable is the VRA token? The total number of VRA tokens available is 10,368,525,869, with 4.47 billion of those tokens currently in circulation. On CoinMarketCap, the VRA token has a total market cap of about $250 million as of November 2022. The esports market has increased by 50% since last year, and analysts predict that by 2024, it will surpass 1.62 billion. This suggests that anything that even slightly overlaps with the world of online gaming has a lot of potential. The VRA token is a currency used in online gaming, and since Verasity allows esports and the digital entertainment sector as a whole to host broadcasts on its platforms, there is a good likelihood that its price will soon pass 10 cents and even reach $1. Verasity has teamed up with the Internet Ad Bureau UK to offer expert knowledge and mentorship to the IAB UK and its worldwide network about the improving value exchange economy. Through this relationship, the crypto technology company will join the IAB UK, and this sector will gain access to significant industry knowledge that it has not yet experienced. Due to Veracity's experience in this field, along with the IAB UK, they will be ready to lose light of the factors that affect rewarded video, as well as how greater online involvement from crypto rewards may change the digital ad environment. Verasity will enter the IAB UK's worldwide network and have extensive access to its advertising and media contracts as part of its relationship with the IAB UK. Verasity will be able to collaborate within this community and to establish itself as a public intellectual in the digital ad sector, and contribute insight into structural reform thanks to the IAB UK member accreditation. Verasity will also be able to shape the dialogue about incentive tokenization within the IAB UK and make sure that their rewarded video proposition complies with international standards. Verasity is sure to disrupt the way we interact with content and the way content creators can maximize the rewards they get for their creativity. We are only beginning to see the possibilities of what the Verasity innovations would bring. Thanks for watching. See you again.